Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to build an automatic rapid fire dispenser in Minecraft. So first, you need to place a redstone repeater. Then on the opposite side, place another redstone repeater facing the first one. And next, connect these two repeaters with a redstone dust on both sides to form a circuit. Now place an additional piece of redstone dust connected to the circuit and then place another redstone repeater facing away from the circuit. Place your dispenser next to the last repeater. Load your dispenser with arrows and it will start firing automatically. For easy control, I recommend placing a lever on the dispenser by shift right clicking on it, and this will allow you to turn the dispenser on and off as needed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.